to initiate for the first performance. So first of all, I would like to call Vikas on the stage. Please give a big hand.
So hello everyone, I am Vikas Udania. So today I am going to talk about how technology makes us perfect, like active or inactive. So I am in the favor of inactive. So let's start. So well, I would like to say that the technology makes us give us a standard lifestyle. So with the convenience of technology, we often found ourselves that we are sitting for a long periods, whether you are working on a computer, you are watching TV and scrolling through the social media. So this lack of physical activities can contribute to be a sedentary lifestyle. So moreover, I would add one more point, that is decreased physical activities. So everyone, we know that technology makes it easier. And so in conclusion, that it is true that technology gives us a easy life, but we have to maintain and we have to set in a balance. So that's all.
Now, may I call upon on stage Nidhi, please?
So hello, good evening everyone. I'm Anthra Nidhi. Anyways, today's our topic is we have to discuss about the technology makes us active or inactive. Anyways, everything has its pros and cons both. But today I'm going to speak in favor of technology. There are so many things which has developed in sector of health, like because newer medicines, newer techniques, newer diagnostic modalities has come through, death rate has been decreased a lot. And second sector is communication. We can communicate with each other people, even they are staying very far from us with the help of mobile, internet and social media and all. And third one part is the education. With the help of we can't deny the use of computers, because teachers can impact their knowledge to the students with the help of creating newer ideas and all. Like ma'am is making the classes more enjoyable, more interesting with the help of these laptop and cameras. At the end, I would like to mention that wise use of technology never makes us harm, never makes us inactive. So, thank you.
I would like to call Jitesh on the stage. Please.
Hello, I am Mantra Jitesh, and today I am going to talk about the active or inactive things we get active or inactive through the technology. First, I would like to tell about the active. We can communicate with things like mobile phone, laptops, or anything, and we can also record our voice and send the assignments. And in the favor of inactive, it makes us inactive. Like I would like to say that it also spoils our brain if we use it for so many time, and because of technology, our eyes can also harm. And I would also like to mention that because of technology, we can also communicate with all of us. But
Now, may I call upon Lakshya on the stage? Give a
I am Mantra Verma, student of International Mantra. Today I am going to share that how the technology make us active or inactive. As we see, we are in the generation where technology has surrounded us from all sides. Our everyday life runs on the use of technology. We can see that technology has made our life a lot easier. It has not only helped us in the digital platform, but have also given us the innovation in the field of educational, medical, industrial as well as agriculture sector. This whole technology has made us life a lot easier and faster, as we see that our daily activities like communication, banking, entertainment and all these activities are gifts of technology which makes us so easy to live and so easy and get faster. So it has to got disadvantages like. Okay, in conclusion, I want to say that technology has many good things so that we can have easy life. Thank you. Be and pride, be alive.
very good.
May I call upon Pankaj on the stage? Please give a call.
Hello everyone, I
am Mantraj Pankaj, student of International Mantra. So today I am going to tell about technology. So first of all, I would like to say technology plays a critical role in science, engineering, and everyday life. So technology is the use of scientific knowledge for practical purpose and applications whether in industry or in our daily life. So basically whenever we use scientific knowledge and to some specific purpose, we are using technology. There are many different types of technology like medical technology, engineering technology, and manufacturing technology. Lastly, I would like to say mobile, laptop, and computer. Thanks for listening to me, Mantra.
That's a brilliant performance. Hello everyone, I am Mantra Himani Verma, student of International Mantra, and today I am going to share my thoughts upon how technology is making us inactive. So first of all, I would say that it is really affecting our physical health and mental health as well. Because earlier we used to go outdoor and play outdoor games or go to the market physically, so our health remains good. But now it is turning our health and making us unhealthy. And I would like to mention that it is also making us unproductive and it is overpowering our creativity. Or I would like to say that because of its different things and features, we are adapt to it and we are using it excessively. And I would like to say that we should use it in limits and balance our life towards it. That's all from my side. Thank you for your time. Be Mantra, be alive. Kunal on the stage. Give a warm welcome.
Right, Kunal, and I am in favor of inactive because we become so dependent on technology. As we know, earlier we go to hire cab or taxis. Now we can book our taxis online. As technology led to several diseases like obesity, heart disease, and many more like. Technology makes us lazy because now we play games online, and earlier we used to play cricket, football in grounds. Nowadays playgrounds are not occupied by the students. In conclusion, technology is good, but in some extent we have to use in a good manner. Thank you.
Very good.
That's a wonderful performance. A big hand to welcome to Neha.
Hello everyone, I am Mantra Neha Vinamri. So today's topic is technology make us active or inactive. So I am in the favor of technology. Technology is all around us. Like we can see here also, laptop, LED, AC, we are using in our daily life. So it is technology making our life so much easier. Or like we can see, we are using 5G internet that making our life easier. We can browse any internet in less time. Or I would like to say technology is very important for us. So thank you.
I am confident and bright Southeast student of International Mantra. Today I am going to talk about how technology makes us active or inactive. So I am in the favor of active, and I found this topic very important because technology plays a vital role in our lives. So the first thing I want to say about it that technology, we use it throughout our daily routines and daily lives because technology has internet, and when we want to browse something quickly, then we use to take Google or take Siri for like commands for easy access of knowledge, and from smartphones, smart watches, and computers. To sum up, I would like to say that technology is our new present and future, and it makes everything easy for us. Thank you for listening. Be Mantrite, be alive.
Very good.
Give a huge round of applause.
Hello, I am Krishna, a student of international. Today I am going to talk about technology, active or inactive. I favor inactive because technology is important for all over the world. And technology, by the technology we can spend our time easily. We can play virtual games like PUBG, and technology and by the technology we can take online classes and
Very good.
I would like to say technology is most important for the generation. Thank you for listening. We will try to be right.
Very good.
I'm Mantrite Mansi, a student of international. Today I am going to talk about how technology makes us inactive. After introduce technology, we are busy with them because technology has many things to do. But after we busy with the technology, we don't see our health, how nature. I would like to say that nature is technology has benefit, also has bad habits.
Okay, very good.
Big thank you, Mansi.
Hello everyone, I am Mantrite Mantra, student of International Mantra, and technology is completely integrated in our daily life. And technology is a part of our life. We always remember technology is a good servant, but it's bad master. In all things, the student any face problem, they had asked and our teachers. And nowadays, students face any problem, they solve multiple options of the technology. Technology is a new subject of education because it is equally important.
Okay, very good.
Excellent job. Priyanka on the stage. We give a warm welcome to Priyanka. Hello everyone, I am Mantrite Priyanka, and here I am going to talk about technology. And I found technology active. And according to, as we know, everything has a core and pro and cons, and technology has also. But I found technology help for me because of some reasons, that facility in education, we can study from anywhere, we can take online classes also, and it on the other hand it helps to access new information with a one click. We can search on Google with in any type of. So at last, I would like to say that technology is very helpful for us, but we can use it responsibly. And thank you so much. Be Mantrite, be alive. We will use that
Hey everyone, I'm Alika, student of International Mantra. I'm going to talk about technology. Technology is making us inactive because in Korea, I would like to share one video.
जिस पीछे ना इसमें तो वीडियो में नहीं चला जाएगा तो भी मैं तुमको बोलूँगी
I'm going to talk about Korea and Japan. In their restaurants, they their orders. In India, there's nothing like that. But there's a little technology. Like if we want to eat something, usually we go and take it. But nowadays, people are ordering from Zomato and Swiggy, so it is making us inactive. And social media is also there because if we are free, we are not studying, but are playing games, outside games. So it is making us inactive.
Very good.
Call upon on stage, Bhumi, on the stage. Give a warm welcome to Bhumi.
Hello everyone, I am Mantra Bhumi, student of International Mantra. Today I am going to talk about technology is make us inactive. I find this topic is important because technology plays a vital role in our daily life. As we know it is the application of scientific idea to develop a machine for surviving human needs of human. We human beings are totally depend on technology. Like we use technology in school, college, office, entertainment. Technology makes us lazy because lastly I would like to mention that technology, by using of technology, people will become lazy and fatty. Technology is bad as well as good for human. Thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Rashmi. I am a student of International Mantra. Today I am going to speak about how technology makes us active. I find this topic interesting because the technology is a very interesting part of our life, and it's a very good for, and it's make our life, it's increase our standards of life. Over the society, technology is developed vastly due to the benefits that technology has brought them, and moreover, it's, for instance, technology.
Very well.
Technologies are developing our lifestyle, and it is a very important part of life. In early time, there is no technology, so people don't have a refuge. In the last, I would like to conclude that technology is a very essential part of our life, and it's make our life active. Thank you.
Very good.
Call upon Aradhya on the stage. Give a warm welcome to Aradhya.
Hello everyone, I'm Nandai Chhabra from International Mantra, and now I'm going to speak on the topic of technology. So I'm in the say was inactive as technology is ruining our minds. Hard work is getting less known and people are scrolling on social media for long hours, which can cause bad eyes and it can cause blindness too. Social media is ruining our Indian culture as it can cause obesity and can make people couch potatoes because sitting on sofas is not a good thing to do.
Yeah.
In conclusion, I would like to say that social media is bad for our health.
Very good.
Now, Mantra Yudhachal, student of International Mantra. Today I want to talk about technology. Technology is the scientific knowledge for the practical task of human life. But nowadays, technology plays an important role in our life. Excessive use of technology makes us inactive. We have so dependent on technology that we avoid doing things at our own, and it makes us lazy and inactive. And excessive use of smartphones, laptops cause eyesight, and we prefer cab rather than walking, so it causes us inactive and lazy. In conclusion, I want to say that technology is good but as well as bad for the excessive use of technology. Thank you.
Very good.
Hello everyone, I am Mantra, student of International Mantra. Today
about use of technology inactive. Technology makes us lazy and we spend our all time on social media, scrolling reels on makes us lazy. Its excessive use of smartphones and makes our eyesight increases and weak and it is not good for us and it makes our health and it makes us
That is
healthy.
over. Okay, very good.
Give a huge round of Mukesh. Please give a warm welcome to Mukesh.
Hello everyone, I am Mukesh Kumar. Today I am going to talk about how technology is make us active or inactive. And I prefer active technology because it makes us active. So I would like to say my first point is connectivity. Many options with the help of connecting people all around the world, like video call, social media, and many apps. And I would like to say my second point is access to information throughout search engine and educational materials like online classes. And I would like to say my third point is health and physical exercise apps like exercise app. I mean to say. So in conclusion, technology is very important and easy to access. So be Mantra, be alive.
We are going to conclude. We are at the last leg of this event, and now we conclude this event. So I hope you enjoyed this event, and thank you for your support and through being energetic throughout the event. And lastly, we want to just say that thank you for your time. Be Mantra, be alive.